If you're looking for freedom and fulfillment, being your own boss is hard to beat. And while being able to call the shots, earning extra income, and having full control over your time are really great perks, there's one aspect that makes running your business especially gratifying. For me, one of the most amazing things is getting feedback from my customers. Trust me, there is nothing like the feeling of knowing that something you've built yourself from the ground up is making a huge difference in the lives of other people. It's when you receive an email on a Thursday afternoon and someone takes time out of their day to thank you for your work, telling you that something your business has done for them has made their day better. And it was thinking about experiences like these that made me decide that I wanted to help more people enjoy the same satisfaction from building their own business. So last year, I began working on a step-by-step online course sharing the exact blueprint that allowed me to start a successful business. The course is this detailed roadmap that will enable you to become your own boss without having to go through the painful struggles of figuring everything out for yourself. I know those struggles. It's the exact step-by-step guide that I wish I had when I started out. You see, I always wasn't this confident entrepreneur. In fact, there was this time where I didn't even know what business to start. And now, after having run multiple successful businesses, I've learned that deciding which business to start is possibly the most important decision you can make as an entrepreneur. In fact, picking the right business to start can make the difference between earning a comfortable salary after a short time, or investing time and money for years before seeing any return, or even worse, never actually getting that business up off the ground. Back when I left the corporate world to look for a business idea, I was looking for something you could start on the side without much time, something that doesn't require a lot of upfront investment, and something that would have a really positive impact on people. I thought through all kinds of business opportunities, but one stood out to me as the clear winner. And so I started my own cleaning business. A cleaning business has many advantages. Not only can you start without much capital to invest, you can also easily start it as a side hustle while working at your current job, just like I did while I was waiting tables. And while it's a great plus if you enjoy cleaning, you don't have to at all. Soon enough, you'll be able to hire people to do the cleaning for you. As you might know, I actually hated cleaning and I was pretty bad at it. Now, to share my excitement about my upcoming course, I'm hosting a free 4-part online training program on starting your own cleaning business. So, if you've ever thought about being your own boss, then this training will be the perfect chance for you to explore whether a cleaning business might be the right fit for you. And if you've already toyed with the idea of running your own cleaning company, you're going to love getting a sneak peek into the inner workings of a multi-award-winning cleaning company. In the training, you'll discover 5 big reasons why a cleaning business is the perfect first business to start, the side hustle approach and how to get started with hardly any time, money, or business experience, how to get your first paying clients, plus a simple formula for how much to charge, my proven method to defeat overwhelm and build a failure-proof business step by step, and much more. The training is absolutely free, but it's only available for a limited time, and the first lesson will be released on February 15th. So, if you've ever dreamt about becoming your own boss or had fleeting visions of escaping the unfulfilling daily grind and instead owning your own business, I hope you'll join me for this special training. To sign up, head over to thedecisionmaker.com and reserve your spot. I'm truly looking forward to having you there.